Ever noticed how your app uses components but still feels inconsistent? Buttons look different, spacing changes, and every screen feels custom built. Today, let's fix that. Reusable doesn't mean copying the same button everywhere. Reusable means a component adapts to context without rewriting it. Biggest mistake is designing components for one screen, hard-coded colors, fixed spacing, and zero flexibility. Good reusable components are built using variants. Same component, different roles. Primary, secondary, danger, all from one source. Instead of duplicating components, expose props. Size, state, intent, let the component adapt itself. Avoid adding endless options. Instead, design components that compose well with others. This keeps your system flexible without becoming complex. Real apps, reusable components are built in layers. A card isn't one block, it's a header, body, and footer working together. If your component follows these rules, you'll use it everywhere without even thinking about it. Reusable components don't just save time, they make your UI predictable, scalable, and easy to maintain. If you want more real world front-end design and performance tips, subscribe to Coding with Chan. See you in the next one.